Hey there, Internet hustlers. Welcome back to Making Money Wolves. Today, we're going to explore some of the laziest ways to make money online. If you've ever dreamt of earning money from the comfort of your couch, then you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our lazy money-making tips. Let's get started. Our first lazy money-making method is affiliate marketing. Here are a few reasons why some people consider affiliate marketing a relatively less intensive way of making money online. No product creation. Affiliate marketers don't need to create their own products or services. They can promote existing products or services from other companies. No customer service. Affiliate marketers typically do not handle customer service, returns, or other post-purchase issues. These responsibilities fall on the product or service provider. No inventory management. There's no need to stock or manage inventory because affiliates are not responsible for product storage or shipping. Low startup costs. Getting started with affiliate marketing often requires minimal investment. You can create content to promote products or services at a relatively low cost. Flexible schedule. Affiliate marketing can be done at your own pace and can be integrated into your existing website or content creation efforts. Next up, we have drop shipping. It's like running your own online store without ever touching the inventory. No inventory management. One of the key advantages of drop shipping is that you don't need to manage physical inventory. You don't have to purchase or store products, which reduces the operational workload. Low initial investment. Compared to traditional retail businesses, drop shipping typically requires a lower upfront investment. You only pay for products when you make a sale. No shipping and handling. With drop shipping, the supplier handles shipping, packaging, and logistics. This means you don't need to worry about order fulfillment. Flexibility. Drop shipping offers a flexible business model. You can manage your store and operations on your own terms, allowing you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Wide product selection. You can offer a wide range of products without the constraints of physical inventory. If a product doesn't sell well, you can quickly pivot to something else. If you're looking for something even lazier, how about online surveys and market research? Taking online surveys is often considered one of the lazier ways to make money online because it doesn't require a significant amount of time, effort, or specialized skills. Here's why some people view it as a relatively effortless way to earn money online. Minimal skill or experience needed. Online survey sites typically don't require any special skills or qualifications. Anyone can sign up and start taking surveys. Flexibility. You can complete online surveys at your convenience, which makes it easy to fit into your schedule. You can do surveys during your free time, whether it's while watching TV or waiting for an appointment. No investment or startup costs. Signing up for legitimate survey websites is usually free, and there are no upfront costs or investments required. Low barrier to entry. There's a low barrier to entry, as you don't need to create products, build a website, or handle customer service. Passive income. While you won't get rich from taking surveys, it provides a form of passive income. You answer questions and receive small payments or rewards without actively promoting products or services. You're watching us on YouTube right now, and did you know you can make money from it? Passive income potential. Once you've built a substantial library of videos, you can continue to earn money from them over time. Older videos can still generate views and ad revenue, which contributes to your passive income. Low barrier to entry. YouTube is a free platform, and you can start creating content without any initial financial investment. You don't need to purchase inventory or set up an e-commerce store. Wide range of topics. You can create content on virtually any topic, which allows you to leverage your existing interests and expertise. Monetization options. YouTube offers various monetization methods, such as ads, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and super chat during live streams. You can choose the options that fit your content and audience. Audience growth. As your channel grows, you can attract a larger audience and more subscribers, leading to increased ad revenue and potential partnerships with brands. Let's talk about selling stock photos and videos. If you're a hobby photographer or videographer, you can upload your content to stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Then, sit back and watch the royalties roll in whenever someone downloads your work. Ever thought about creating your own merchandise? Here are some reasons why print on demand can be seen as a lazy way to generate income. No inventory handling. With Pod, you don't need to purchase or store inventory. Products are created only when a customer places an order, eliminating the need for storage space and inventory management. Low startup costs. Starting a pod business typically requires minimal upfront investment. You can design and upload your custom designs or artwork for free on various pod platforms. Variety of products. Pod platforms offer a wide range of customizable products, from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases. You can offer a variety of merchandise without the burden of manufacturing. No shipping or fulfillment. The pod provider handles order fulfillment, including printing, packaging, and shipping. You don't need to deal with shipping logistics or packaging products. Global reach. Pod services often have global distribution networks, allowing you to reach a wide audience without the complexities of international shipping. Flexibility. You can manage your pod business at your own pace and integrate it into your existing website or online presence. Another lazy money-making method is writing and self-publishing ebooks. If you have a passion for writing, create an ebook on a topic you're knowledgeable about and sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle. It's passive income once the book is out there. Finally, for those willing to take a bit of risk with their laziness, there's stock market investing. Open a brokerage account, buy stocks, and let your money grow over time. It requires minimal effort and can be quite profitable in the long run. So, there you have it, the laziest ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for extra pocket change or a full-time income, these methods can help you achieve your financial goals from the comfort of your home. Remember, there's no such thing as completely effortless income, but these methods come pretty close. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any other lazy money-making ideas, share them in the comments below. Until next time, keep making that money with minimum effort. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.